Welcome to my channel. My name is Abraham. As promised, we are going to start the series, data analytics series with Excel, and I'm going to open my Excel, or my Excel has already been open, as you can see, and we'll familiarize ourselves to start with the Excel environment. To familiarize ourselves with the Excel environment, what you have seen, what is showing here is what we call the Excel worksheet, or book one, or book, Excel workbook to be precise, Excel workbook. And in an Excel workbook, you can have many sheets. Like you are seeing, I have sheet 1, sheet 2 here already. And let's familiarize ourselves with the environment. Now, the Excel worksheet have the following. You have the menu bar where you see different menus, and then you have the ribbon or the toolbar. For each menu, the ribbon changes. For each menu, the ribbon changes. Like you're seeing, if I keep touching it, it changes. This one is the file menu that brings it out and displays this area for you to be able to save, to open a new file, to open an existing file, to print and all that. I'm going to go back. So if we stick with the home for now, you see a lot of things that are there. Then moving down from the ribbon, you see what we call the name box or the address bar. It's simply showing you where you are in the Excel worksheet. Where you are in the Excel worksheet. I'll come back to explain more for those that may not understand. Now, this part is where I'm clicking is the formula bar. Formula bar, where the formula will show. If you are writing something in Excel, this is where it will also show, apart from showing in the worksheet. Now, if we come down, we have rows and columns. This is a column, column A. The columns are numbered with alphabets, and the rows are numbered in letters. And where the columns and the row meet is called a cell. You see, if I click here, to do that, I've clicked on a cell. This is a cell, and you see as the cell changes, the name box or the address bar changes. You seeing it? So it will start with the letter of the column with the number of the row. Now I am on column B, row 4, column B, row 3, and as it changes, it also changes column C, row 3, and that is it. So I'm going to move to sheet 1, and on the sheet 1 we're going to practice something. On the sheet 1 we'll practice something. We'll practice how to enter data in Excel, because a data analyst, that's the first thing you will learn. So you're doing partially both of the work of a data entry and all that. So if I want to type something here, you see that there's going to, the thing is going to be showing in the formula bar. So let's say I enter 10, then I move to row B, I enter 12. That is, I have just entered my first data in Excel, and I can use this data to do one or two things. Now, to start with, we can do simple addition. Simple addition. And how do you do simple addition in Excel? I will just stick to cell C1 that I am. If I want to do simple addition in Excel, I will do equal to, and you say that equal to will show in the formula bar. I'll say A1, I'll mention the cell, the A1 plus the B1, and I'll press enter. Yes, that's as sweet as Excel is. 20 2. And I can also do this. Let's assume the rows are much and I don't want to stress myself. I can also do addition in another way using Excel inbuilt formulas. For instance, I can say equal to, then this time around, instead of typing it myself, I will say sum. And you can see all that things that are being listed there. Sum if, sum of product, sum of square, and all that. So I will just do sum. But in this particular case, if you are using a formula, you have to put an open bracket, you put the first number, the second number, the third number, or you give a range of from so number to so number. So I prefer just giving a range because that's a more professional way. So I'll give a range of A1 colon C1. I'll close it and press enter. So you see, it will give you a total of 44. The same thing applies with multiplication. If I do equal to or equal to, I'm looking for the maximum number. In all this number. I'll say max, open brackets, A1 to A, B, C, D, D1. Close it and press enter. So it's showing the maximum number. I can also do minimum number, and I can do that minimum number and say from B1 to D1. Find the minimum number. You can see that Excel is so powerful. I encourage you, like I always give to my students, to go and study the formulas that are in Excel, and you'll be happy you did. You can also do average in Excel. I want to find average of the numbers in column B. I can say to find the average by being equal to, and I'll type average, I'll say B1 to B4, B3, B3, B1 to B3, and I'll press enter. Now, this is the average, which means it's 12 plus 44 plus 12, and then divide by 3. That's what average means. And you can see how powerful Excel is. There are so many other things for us to learn. So in our next lesson, we're going to bring out the Irish data set that we have downloaded, and we will start working on it. Thank you.